In Waterfall, we used to spend 6 months doing a project, and invariably toward the end of the project, we would be in death march mode.
A 6-month project with big upfront planning only to find out at the end that you haven't really met the customer's needs. It's demoralizing for the team and embarrassing for the business.
You have a lot of downtime in Waterfall. You have to sit and wait for things to be developed.
We would take a lot of time going through requirements. Those requirements would change way late in the project, which would cause a lot of rework, scope creep, etc.
Try to predict what the end user would want. Would spend a lot of time documenting things, but not actually producing real working software.
The timing was right for our Agile transformation at Valpak. We observed the results and benefits that other Agile companies were getting, and we're ready to make those changes ourselves.
So what is Agile? Agile is about continuously delivering software that meets business needs. It's really a mindset and a culture that you put into your organization that gets your developers closer to your business people.
I actually think it's helped with a lot more than just between IT and the business. It's really become a company-wide type of thing.
Some of the benefits that we observed were things like improved time to market as a result of shorter iterations, increased collaboration and alignment between business and IT as a result of a highly visible process, better productivity and morale amongst the teams as a result of the self-empowered, self-organizing teams principle, and then ultimately delivering more frequent value to our customers.
The way we decide on what we work on is based on value, and we derive that value off of our stakeholders' input, off franchises' input, off clients' input, and that's how we decide what goes into each sprint.
Sprint is just like it sounds, a sprint. It's 2 weeks of sort of controlled chaos, a lot of collaboration, and then valuable software that's delivered to the business in that 2-week time frame.
Now with Agile, it's 2-week sprints. We're working steady pace, and everybody knows how much they can get done in that 2-week time. It makes the developer's life a lot easier.
Other team members, other people in the company can walk through and see what everybody's working on and what status in the process your work is at. If it's in the beginning processes, if it's being verified, if it's actually done.
What I like best about Agile is the transparency. Everybody knows exactly what they're working on for the next 2 weeks. All the teams have visibility into what the other teams are doing. There's no long-term worries about what we're doing 6 months from now. It's all about the here and now.
What I like best about Agile is just the ability to work with our product owner directly. Now the collaboration's quick, responses are quick, and we're able to produce things very quickly.
You have the opportunity to see what's going on, and you see working software fairly quickly. So you know if you're doing the wrong thing, if you need to add something, if you need to tweak something, you know before you get too far off the beaten path.
As soon as we see a need to change, we change quickly.
The fact that we can move at a fast pace and then make adjustments gives you a really good feeling, and that's what's fun about it.
We're at the moment studying clean code and unit testing, making those an integral part of our daily activities in software development. Continuous integration allows us to know immediately when we make changes to software, the impact of that change.
The key to our Agile transformation at Valpak has really been about taking it seriously and supporting it at all levels of the business. We have the support of our IT leaders and our business leaders, and that's really helped to make the difference in making the culture shift to the Agile mindset.
Valpak has fundamentally changed the way we get work done. This is not just a new process that only involves technology groups, but more of a mindset across all groups that put an emphasis on driving real business value to our customers in short iterative cycles. Valpak's Agile transformation is a journey that will continue to improve collaboration, business value creation, and efficiencies throughout the organization.